friends, my name is Takara. I'm the owner and creator of Hot Sauce Shero, a brand of flavored hot sauces. You can follow us on all social media at Hot Sauce Shero. We have peach, pineapple, lychee, guava, and a summer mango that is limited edition. The website for order is www.hotsauceshero.com. So today we're going to be getting into a tutorial making an alcoholic beverage with Hot Sauce Shero. Yes, you heard it right. So we have some margarita mix. It's just a regular margarita mix that I got from somebody's store. I have some pineapple juice. I have my ice, lime, and I have sugar so that I can rim my glass. So first thing I'm gonna do is rim my glass because I want to make it really super cute and I want to be a professional. So you take your lime. I have a lime wedge. I put a little slit in it with a knife so that it can go around the glass easily. And then I have a bowl of sugar here. You can use salt if you want, but I prefer sugar because I'm a sweet type of girl. So roll your glass around in your sugar. Get it nicely coated. Okay, just like that, right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little shaker and put some ice in it. Now, if you're the measuring type, you can measure how much alcohol and all that stuff, but because I am a black woman, we do not measure much of anything, especially when making drinks. We make drinks to feel. All right. So I got my ice. For kicks and giggles, I'm gonna tell you I'm putting about a half a cup of this. Not that I know what a half a cup actually looks like, but I think that's half a cup. If you want, you can add some tequila to spice things up, make it a little stronger, but for me, I'm just gonna do it like this because I wanna really taste the hot sauce in it. You know, it's my first time having this, so I want to see what it's like. I got my pineapple juice for about another, maybe about a fourth of a cup. All right, and then what am I gonna do? Put my top on, and I'm gonna shake this bad boy up real good. Oh, I didn't put the hot sauce. All right. Now, I'm gonna use the mango hot sauce because it's limited edition. So I wanna see what it's like. So I'm gonna put some hot sauce in that thing. That was probably about a fourth of a cup. Take my top, put it on there nice and snug. Make sure everything is good and tight and shake it up really good. You want everything to get nice and cold. Then you're gonna the hell's going on? Okay. What the fuck? You might need pliers. Okay, this is really not coming out. What the fuck is going on? Oh man, Slay's trying to get this bitch off. Hold on. What the fuck? All right, give that baby a nice shake. Then you're gonna pour it in your glass like this here. Oh, I wasn't expecting that color. Okay, almost went over the threshold. All right. It's my first time trying this, y'all, so wish me luck. Oh, shit. Okay, I didn't expect that to be that good. It's like sweet and spicy. Oh, what, girl. Oh, that's fire. Okay, let me try the pineapple one now. All right, so we're gonna run through the same steps. Well, I have a new glass, so I'm gonna rim my glass because, like I said, I'm a professional. Put some ice. Put your little martini mix. Go, 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 go. Add a little bit more. All right. Damn, that was good. I really did not expect that. Okay. Oh, that's on the pineapple. Sorry, I got another one. I recently had my nails done, so my nails are a little weak, so I'm gonna use that. Open this bad boy up. Okay. What else? Hot sauce. 3 ingredients. This is the pineapple hot sauce. It actually had a nice little kick. I don't know, I just really wasn't expecting it to be that damn good. So, I guess the stuff that people tell me about my hot sauce actually is true. All right, here we go. Shake that bad boy up real good. Hopefully it don't get stuck this time. Right. Let me rim my glass real quick. Bitch, I'm excited. All right. Rim my glass. All right. Good enough. Oh, it came off. All right, here we go. Ooh, pretty color. All right. Now let's see how this one goes. Oh, that's it right there. That's it right there. Oh, that's it right there. Baby, this need to be in somebody's bar. This is good. Okay, let me get a little. So, this is my mango margarita hot sauce. Wait. How do I say that? This is my mango, girl, I don't know. It's a margarita with hot sauce shero mango flavor, and this is a margarita with the pineapple hot sauce shero. And baby, when I tell you these things are fire, fire and desire, okay? I had to get my little thumbnail. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you want to purchase these amazing hot sauces, which I'm sure you do. It's www.hotsauceshero.com, and you can find me on Instagram at Hot Sauce Shero. See y'all later. Bye.